We are going to do a test with a GC1000 dual fuel system. If we get a spark in the intake manifold, there will be natural gas flowing in the intake manifold, and what will happen? We are using John Deere 4045T with a 50 kW load. We have modified the intake manifold and put the two studs in there. We create a spark with the igniter that will put out around 300,000 volts that will arc between the studs. Let's see the test.
And we are going to do a test with a spark in the manifold. If you look at the screen that is in front of you, you can see there's a GC1000 interface, and we have a RPM here in red. If I look at here, shutdown valve duty cycle, that means the gas valve is closed, so the GC1000 is not active. It will open up when I put a load on the engine, and I have adjusted it to be 70% gas and 30% diesel. So we are gonna load it up. We are going to load it up with 50 kW load. Here we go. The engine is now running on 50 kW, and you can see here it's 99% open, the second valve, and it's running now diesel and gas. We are going to put the spark in the intake manifold. You will see that on the cameras that is inside the vessel. And you can see in the camera there's a spark in the intake manifold. And that had not any effect on the engine. So, conclusion on this is, though we have a spark in the intake manifold, it cannot ignite the gas. And I'm going to take the spark off now. And this is the conclusion. You will not ignite the gas in the intake manifold. We can try again. And now we have a spark. And nothing. No interference on the speed and the load or anything. The engine has run.